Take out a piece of whiteboard, fix it on the table. Take a piece of purple mud, knead into one end, tip one end round ball. With the palm pressure, let it stick on the whiteboard. Then take a small purple mud ball, knead the growth strip, and stick under the ball. Put a curved shape, do the foot of the jellyfish. With the same method, do a few more. Press the light purple mud with your palm and bend the mud into a wave and stick it under the ball. With deep purple mud, rub into ball, flatten spots on the ball. With white mud, into a ball on the socket. Black ball with eyes. White ball, do highlights. A purple jellyfish is finished. The jellyfish feet in different shapes. You can get different small jellyfish. Come and try it.